Hi guys, it's Sharon and today I'm going to be doing a Sephora unboxing. It probably sounds more exciting than it is because I only ordered one item and it was because they didn't have it in store, and I was like, are you guys going to get it soon? She was like, no, we've been out of it for a while, but if we order it, blah blah blah, it'll get to your house faster. And I was like, okay, let's do it. And I ordered it, and look at this giant box. Why are we so wasteful with paper for this tiny thing? That's it. Just this. I'm kind of shook because I thought they were gonna send samples. Macy's sends samples. Why doesn't Sephora send samples? Ugh, I hate the Sephora point system. Like, you have to spend $100 to get a sample of something. That's lame. Like, this is why people shop at department stores. Nordstrom has a great return policy. Sephora just recently changed theirs, and I mean, I never shopped at Sephora that much except for when I first started getting into cosmetics because I didn't know better. And so I have like all these points that I never used and I still have them. At least they don't expire, thank God. But like, Sephora, come on, we need to do something better, please. Okay, so this is what I got. It's the Korres pomegranate balancing cream gel. And it's honestly so good. Like, I used to use it when I first started getting into skincare and makeup, and it was so good. It's like it's kind of mattifying and it helps with redness. I've always had a lot of redness even before I had like acne issues. I mean, I've never had perfect skin. Maybe I have. I don't remember having perfect skin, but I remember always having redness concerns. So this was like one of the first moisturizers that I ever picked up. It's like under 40 or something, but it's really nice. I have really oily skin now. I used to have combination, more on the oily side always, but now I'm like super oily, and now it's summer coming. I'm sure it's gonna be an oil mess. And this one I really like. It balances, it keeps me matte, helps with redness. It's like perfect. It doesn't cause me to break out. I'm like super sensitive now and everything makes me break out. And well, I ran out of this one, and so I've been using this, which is, it's honestly not very hydrating, and I think you're supposed to layer it with another moisturizer, but it's a calming serum, so it's like supposed to just like soothe your skin, and I really like it. What else? The healing mask from Chantecaille. It can be like a night cream, and so I've been using that one too as a night cream. The only ones I can recommend for sure for super sensitive and acne prone skin. But yeah, I love this. If you have oily skin, definitely try it out. Let me know what you think. Pretty much it for my unboxing Sephora. Really short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!